Today we'll be attempting to make Nasi Liwet. It's an Indonesian way of cooking rice with aromatics. And here are the ingredients that we will be using. First, we have 4 cups of rice, fresh ikan teri that we parboiled, garlic, red chili, galangal, shallots, lemongrass that we beat the big part of the lemongrass with the back of the knife, bay leaves, and salt. I'm going to turn on the heat. Add a little bit of oil.
Once the pan has heated up, we can start shallow frying our aromatics.
Once you see that everything is coated in oil, we want to add our galangal and our lemongrass. Now, as you can see, the oil that I use is not enough, so I want to add more.
Once the oil in the pan is fragrant, we want to add ikan teri. Once the ikan teri is added, we want to add more oil to make sure that the ikan teri is shallow frying instead of parboiling. Now we mix the oil in and start stir frying the mixture for approximately 5 to 10 minutes until the ikan teri is golden brown. At any point, if you see that the oil on the pan is gone but your ikan teri is not golden brown, you want to add more oil. Now we continue shallow frying until the ikan teri is fully crispy. Once the ikan teri is crispy, we want to add our bay leaves. Add more oil onto the leaves. Now we mix the bay leaves into our mixture.
After we have washed our rice, we want to add the ingredients that we just fried, the aromatics essentially, into the rice cooker.
Add water, mix, add salt. Put the pot into the rice cooker. Push the lever. We'll see you in a bit. Our Nasi Liwet is cooked. Oh yeah. There you have it, Nasi Liwet cooked in rice cooker. Thank you for watching.